Two different time. So but how me get it? When me get it last night, so me just dash it out. So come me at blood clot Queenie, make me a reason and make me address it up properly. So the angel lady get the piss pan. Queenie and your man hold on angel and fuck her and then piss pan her. Guys, me clear it up for me going to wherever me are going to. Let me clear it up, let me clear the ear. I repeat, it is two different rape. It's not one time you and the man rape the girl. So you also make the man lose him life. That God, I will pass through me and get pan Queenie. Anyway, the angel lady and she and the man do all of them must do them thing. Queenie hold down the girl and make the man fuck the girl and the man piss on her. Different time. Queenie set up D and Gotti to get robbed and them go up there, go fuck off D and Gotti and she have to jump through the window. It's similar thing to what me say, but me put it straight so you can understand. Queenie is a disgraced woman. Queenie in one long time, you friend killer. Come here. Cause I pull a docket that you cast it. Me never trouble you. Do you remember once upon a time in a place called England, you and a girl called Marika? Marika went on a teeth now, we turn tricky teeth and Mitchie, the hottest thing pan the black. Who know Mitchie Boo? Mitchie Boo, I don't know if you want to call the name, but mama have to Lego your blood clot name over here. You know when me attack, I get the things that me I let it go. So it's so me say it, if it goes so, or it not goes so, so it goes so me ear so me I dish it out. Do you remember when they went to blood clot one place called Blister in Oxford? Big old woman. You remember? Me remember, your friend kill a long time. And you know the girls them bad up the road cause you nobody know a bag you grab. Like how the girl got thief to some Mitchie thief, some bad D and GRD or I don't remember. How me get it, I have to go back in the message, go look my love. Some D and GOD or one out of the two name brand stuff. You say how much police take with the vehicle and take the things them. You remember? Stinking, wicked, liar, thief in thief clothes, nano clothes. Walk and show people all blood clot, borrow goods. Come here make a bumble clot reason. I told Mitchie them a attack girl, Mitchie just make you go on. The things them value over 10,000 pounds. Nasty, wicked, drunk woman. Come here make a read the file. Come here and skip your docket. Me not run a joke with you. Ooh, Camille Bedford. No, Camille Bedford. Camille, say that Queenie wear your clothes, them man. Stinking old Queenie, you come here and I'm a go pan Amari. At least Amari go down and tell cover purchase. But you borrow blood clot clothes as a clutcher. If I am lying, I'm dying. Dirty, raggedy level, dusty seven. Borrow, blood clot, gloom scream, dirty woman, queen. What me for use, queen? What you doing, chill? No, queen. Move your blood clot. That's what that we used here. Dirty gangster Diddy. Come tell the people them how you're weird on Camille clothes and boot and she tired there and she ate you for the moment because the woman can't keep her clothes them in her closet in peace because of you. Come no gangster Diddy. Allow me to tell. So guys, remember me clear the ear with the story. It's two different occasions, two different grape, two different rape. Queen is set up with two different females. Queen them a dirty bungle. Big dirty bungle and the dirtiest squeeze this ever rise. Oh, them go pick up this a Queen out a rubbish sheet. Now come leg up our way blood clot. Boy, how we gonna angle this? You have to come down, nasty woman. You can never disrespect me. I know we have so much nasty file. Me I pull your docket. In real life, you're a friend killer from a taller time. Tell the people them why me can ever put up a picture of yourself. Tell the people them in real life why I was dead. The whole heap of setting up here and was robbed the wrong man. And you make was dead. Because you go around and see who make money and set up blood clot. The people them forget robbed by your dirty man. And go around and see who look nice. And see who you can tame in. And carry the people them go rape them off. Queenie and nobody. Queenie me now use no allegedly a bumble blood clot. Because all of them stories true. You own it for your life, say a long time story, so it goes so. Maybe me not put it in the way it's supposed to put. Because I never did it, I never know about it. So as me get it, so me I sell it. Well, me get it the real way now. I'm clear the ear. What is our man we did? What is our man we did? I repeat, what is our man we did? She and the man go around and rape people. If she's a woman where I make money, them go rob the girl and fuck off the girl them. Queenie a one big dirty bitch. Queenie a one big long time fuck out or. Yeah, so me I clear the air where the story go is not one rape or two. I can't believe a woman would just go around and this. You have to be a cokehead. You want the no teeth, chiquitita woman when name Marika bun coat like dog together. I share your coke partner. Come now. The way she bun coat, the whole of her teeth them drop out. And that's the truth. She name Marika, you're not a coke partner. Come. Make we reason, bitch. Come now, cokehead, Queenie. Come now, Stacky. Old cat. Come now. Come now. Stop playing with blood clot me. You cat to the shot of them a road. No pussy can never, ever, ever in the history of life come say me ever buy a shot. They never shot me a blood clot working. Never. They never shot me a bone yet. The amount of bone you buy, big dog. Coke a coat do your blood clot brain, so a coat make you get up a ball and a ball. I get up and a scream out and a ball. So you think how we do that? Move, we give you meditation. Suck your mother crackhead, Queenie. You trouble the wrong blood clot cheese. And now ease up out of your neck. Cause you want attention come off of the man for stick on you. Well, the two are not go down. Cause if RT didn't feel like me, I ease up over him with top chili boy bottom. Draw for your blood clot scandal back because I couldn't find no condom. You make a wrong mistake in your life. The two are not go down. Boy, your name. A gangster did it, the dirty woman name. Gangster did it never, ever, ever, never, never have I ever engaged in them the dirty activity there. Yet, move your big cow looking blood clot if you ever the cow you go pray to. Your ears so rough, it's not Indian. Oh, you mix up yourself with Indian. Cow Indian God. Oh, you take up yourself, boy, you're going to pray to cow. Big fuck out, or that's why your life stays so, because you don't believe in the God where we believe in. Fucking piece of shit. Queenie, you can't use me and come back, come trouble me yesterday and I come play song today. Hey, girl, stop play with my blood clot emotions. I will rob you. I will fix up your blood clot. Oh, so if you feel like me, did I go tell you no lie? I come here to come fabricate the story for you. I will not do so. Maybe me mix up two stories in a one a while ago first time, but them go so. You dirty blood clot, wooga woo, you big dirty gangster diddy. You fi go down dog. Trouble me fa in real life. So how me not fi blood clot in attacking with him? I beef with and I not disrespect this piece of shit. How dare you get involved in this when a couple months ago and bring down your home? Eh? You're not shame for a big woman. On a stoop low too much money, my friend. You're a disgraced woman. One lion take your liberty from you. It's a jail if a blood clot go. Alright, now you're going to suffer. Remember me tell you that you're going to suffer worse than that. Oh, that way you do, because you can't come out brawling unless you come back a pedophile, and when you're done, boom, couple years ago, you engage in a similar things like that. You're shit. You're doo-doo bella. So if nobody feel like, oh, a long time, it in your blood. For you do them things, they are dirty people. And you not stop take the coke over there, so we don't know where you will do again at any time. Then for register, you're in England. You need to go up on the sex offender list. I would say you're a pedophile because them girl, they're a big woman. But what you do to them is wrong in so many ways. So when you come out with valid receipt from people, are the people them attack and confirm what you do, big pussy woman. Nobody can tell me say Artina set her up for fuck with you. But she fuck with the wrong chuck. I'm not playing with none of these bitches. You get me? Once me get a tip of you, me I ride it. Worse when it disgraceful, me I ride it. You can't come erase the fact that you do that to 2 females. Way you probably do it to more. But them 2 them you know about now. 2 different females. I never know 2 different occasions. Cause 1 can be a mistake, but 2 that's a beef steak. With the blood clot here, big old war. Long time fuck a girl. How dare you come about me a back a batty man with touch a little boy bottom with up on the media every day I bring down woman and you say woman power big bitch. Wake up. Wake blood clot up because the last time I check it look like you asleep. You're mad. What you mean if the comment section done all na the day the comment section a deal with her wicked. Queenie and her man they fuck off 2 girls on 2 separate occasions and make her man piss on one of the girls and one of the girls them have to jump through the window. The man them fuck off the next girl and she have to jump through the window because she never want to lose everything. When I'm ready for the money, and if I say it good enough, anyway, me get it, you know. So me get it and so my blood clot deliver it. And that me know, me never trouble this woman. So how you come for me? A clout here chaser for my name. Dirty or me an artist. But I forgot. Come let me go back on the truth now. RT run out cause him want more clout. Catch him on the grammar run mouth and a skin out. Hey Nanda, you know you're out of order, but you come and live about body biter. Come. More you try understand you be able father baptize you find another man because your pussy it big and have no bottom. Shelly and Quran, you know your foot Jan. Then you come and live one batty man after RT draft your scandal back. Lady gangster again. I don't know how I'm going to drop in your name. I'm going to drop your name in my song because you want clout. So you go get clout. Nobody help me to do this. I find at the time when bitch, me a voice note with your big pussy woman. Or you turn dopey. You don't know what to do when you go past sting with Amari. Dirty, nasty, stinking woman. Remember good, you confused. You reach a Jamaica, you don't know what to do. Queenie, remember me even a try out with 2 lines. Remember good. Remember blood clot good. Oh, I want to drop her name in it. I nah use no queen. I straight that. Shelly and Quran, we know you fought Jan, then you come on live one batty man after RT draft for your scandal bag.
Andy, one time. Stop call shouting name, that's not right. Me only take 1 man from her 1 time. But that 2 you fuck, so that's bad mind.
That's it, people. Like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.